Everybody pass right this way.
Hey, what's up, Maniacs? This weekend, what we're doing is somebody hooked us up on a smoking deal. Free 90 deal on a 4-post lift. But we gotta go get it, break it down, and take it back to the shop. So we're gonna take you guys along for that ride. That's all I got for now.
Just getting fueled up to work hard. I was dumb.
All right, we'll see you guys later.
All right,
see you later.
It's a done deal. Look at that. Hopefully they'll have fun putting it together.
Glad that nightmare is over.
Yeah. All right. Thank
Good
you,
luck.
fellas. Thank you very much.
Dude!
We got
it! Yeah, I can't believe I gave that thing away, dude.
And the dream just begins. Hey, so we got the car. We got the lift back to the shop. So uneventful. It went well. So now we're back, and we got the heavy lift crew with us. So of course Jim, he's the master heavy lifter. But we got Trey and we got Connor. Pulled them out from behind the camera because we need 4 people to manipulate this thing off of the trailer. It's not light. It's definitely not light. We're gonna go ahead and set it up. We're thinking over there. And that's all I got. What do you guys have? Anyone have anything?
No.
Anything?
I'm ready to get this done.
Nothing?
It's
All right,
not
let's
getting
go.
any cooler.
So
unfortunately, this here is the heaviest part. We call it the front as well as the hydraulic side. The hydraulic attaches to this side. Actually.
yeah. So anyway, we have it loaded. We thought we would load it so that when we get here, we can unload it and set it up the same exact way, which would have been driving up from here. Put it on the trailer the way that we took it down over there,
Yeah, so
which would mean that you'd drive in from over here, which would work, except that.
Oh, you mean you back it in that way? Is that what you're saying?
No, the way that the trailer is loaded right now
Yeah.
is exactly how we took it out of the garage over there, which was garage door like this. You come in and drive in, so it's all set up for that, so we can just unload it that way.
Okay.
So now we just have to decide if we want to do it the easier way, which would still work, or do it the slightly harder way, which may work better for future, but not necessarily for now. I think we can turn this whole thing around, dude, on this wheels. It's got wheels. Let's just set it up the way we took it down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do that. Allergies are awesome right now. All right.
Everybody pass right this way.
I'm just calling to say.
Okay, I'm ready.
You have gloves on to hold your camera?
Have you lift it?
Watch your surgeon.
Now walk this way. Walk behind the tray. Okay.
Down?
Yeah.
And this way.
Bet you it should be on the same slab, only because if it's on that slab and it's tilting like this,
Yeah.
as it's going up, it's gonna do it, but it's gonna be like that thing.
Okay, I'll go that way. I like it. I'd rather have it pushing. Push it real good.
Watch out for my crap. I need these.
That is your crap.
That is your crap. You want some help there? Or you
replace. Yeah, there'll be enough room for it. That's perfect.
So then this one's gonna go like
Plugs in
this
right
now.
there. Yeah. Did it not record any of it?
No, it's been recording. I thought it was. I thought I hit
So
record.
you're putting the bolts in, but you forgot the plate?
Yes.
Is that 60 foot-pounds?
Right about.
Dad, don't get so close to their face.
This is a joke, dude.
This is a good face.
Yeah.
You're gonna get close to a face. This is the face you need to click. This is the money maker right here.
Why are we making these money?
See that boy over there?
This is the moneymaker over here.
Ah, we're having fun. We're having fun. It's getting there. We're about halfway together on that thing.
Everybody has right this way. Everybody has right this way.
Cool. So we're gonna fine tune this baby because it was a little bit off. A little more. That's close enough right there. Okay.
Everybody has right this way.
What you doing?
Cleaning it. Doesn't everybody clean their hoist? Well, it might be the only time it gets cleaned. I don't know. But yeah, we're clean. It looks nice.
Everybody has right.
There was a thing at one time, you know, like some statistics out there, and people they're asking like interviewers asking people like, how much would you like to make? You know, do you make enough, or or do you not make enough? And like, how much would you like to make? And everybody always says like, I like to make like 10 to 20% more. Well, whatever they make, you know.
Really?
Yeah. I think it had to do with like a budgeting, thing, program, and they're like, no, you need to spend 10 to 30% less, and you'll be fine. That all about. Why is it that I can't find the proper size, dude, to work this? Why is that? Is it some Chinese size or something?
Maybe it's one of them Whitward bolts.
What?
Whitward? I don't know, them weird English ones?
Oh, maybe. I don't know, but I can't find the right size for it. So, we're just putting the final touches on this thing. So, we have to pull this linkage apart right here. So this is actually the safety lockout on it, and it's locked out right now so I can be under it safely. But this linkage, you grab it right there. Go ahead and show that. That arm right there is what you turn to release the lockout. And it releases these two posts, but then this linkage goes across, and then it has another linkage over there for those two posts to release those. And so you got to put this together, but we're missing one nut, so set us back a little bit. But we're gonna get it done now, and this is it. We're done. We're ready. Maybe we need to go put the clutch in the Razor and go for a ride. The Razor's been sitting around for too long, and apparently Ryan just bought a Razor, so putting the pressure on.
Everybody has right this way.
There we go.
Yep.
Down.
Down. Yeah, work.
Sideways.
Really close.
like that. Yeah, film it. It's not in a hurry.
No, that's good clutch working height right there. That's nice.
Let's go all the way and see what we got.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's go all the way. Let's go all the way. It's a song, don't worry. Still have like solid 10 inch. One. That's it.
Cool.
Okay. Alright. What? Mark that. Or count it. Or just go ahead and lower it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then come down
Yeah.
a little bit. Up. Oh, this one's not.
This one's not in.
This one's not in.
How much room do we have to go up?
We went too high. Nothing yet. But you will. We have to go higher to get that unlocked. Alright, so you gotta go higher to unlatch or what?
Yeah.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah. I like a half inch. That's it.
Okay. And
Touching.
clear.
Alright.
Coming down.
I go down here. So mark the next one down.
Yeah.
Or our highest point.
Four.
Not really high enough to get the 49 under though.
Or anything.
Well, I mean, we can come back down to this one, which is another ½ inch down.
Yeah, go down. No, I mean, we can't use this one because it's too high. So can you release the deal and go down to the next one?
Yeah. I thought that's what you meant, but I wasn't sure.
Okay.
Down.
Alright. Are we locked down on all four?
Nope. Now we are.
Yeah, we're locked on these two.
Yeah. Locked.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's not.
Yep, that's not going to be high enough for that kind of stuff.
We can fit some pools under it.
Well, yeah, but it's gotta go. All right, guys, I'm really excited here. So as you can see, we got the lift all assembled in position. Probably not in its last place. Probably move it around again. But we're really excited to have a lift. And we'd like to thank Matt and his dad for hooking that up.
Yeah, and it went pretty well, actually, right? Taking it apart, bringing it over, putting it together. Super cool, you know? So, we still need a 2-post lift one day, but one thing at a time. Cool. Well, thanks guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one. All right, so we got our clutch in for the Razor. It's a replacement clutch. Check it out. This is the mother of all clutches.
The mother clutcher.
All right, so we're gonna have to get this thing and put it on that little side job. Not working on the 49. We gotta get this thing running though.
Didn't that come in on Mother's Day too?
Yeah, it was Mother's Day clutch.